Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpolation. So we can use about interpolation by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to number 5 over the square root of number 3 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 25 over number 3 tan t square. Number 3 and number 3 we cancel. 25 we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. dx we change for this one. So this one, that is about 25 over number 3 tan t square. So number 3 and number 3 we cancel. 25 we can do about factorization. This one, that is about secant of t square. So we need to simplify this one over this one. So this one divide by this one. So we have the square root of number 3 over 15. And now we have t. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by this one. And now we can find the value of t, that is about octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.